Okay. Okay. So let's talk about opportunities in data scientist world. Okay, data science world. As I explained you, what are the different experts are working in the data science world and their roles. So a lot of people, guys, coming with the one question like, I want to go with the data science, but I don't like mathematics, or I don't want I hate programming. So for those people, no, I will be recommending a proper roadmap. Okay, a proper roadmap you can say. So that roadmap, if you follow, you will be, your life will be very very easy. Okay, it's little time taken. Okay, the journey will be little gradual, but what you will enjoy it. Okay, you will enjoy it. A lot of people know, people they directly hitting on data science. Okay, uh, you can after like this session, you will be getting the soft copies of the whole syllabus. Okay, and if you just have a look after some time, okay, and you know yourself very well, okay, and the weightage of the syllabus, okay, just compare whether you can do it or not. Ask a very very honest question and give a honest answers to yourself. So here, if you are not good, okay, and you want to like you're in a desperate need of a job, okay, so just start your data science journey with data analytics. Okay, data analytics. Okay, data analytics. It's good for very less syllabus. Okay, but you will get very soon entry a lot of requirements for data analytics right now in that. You can start your career with the data analytics, simple, very less coding, negligible coding, okay, and you will start your career after working as data analytics 1 year, 2 year. You'll be working in a team. You will be getting a lot of knowledge about data science world. Then you can switch your career, or you can like uplift your career for the next phase, that is data engineering. Very high demand and very good salaries. Okay, data engineer. Okay, engineer. Okay, after becoming data engineer, then after working like 1 year, 2 year, then you can what switch for data scientist. Okay, data scientist. This will be the very, you can say, without any burden upon you. This journey will be, yes, it is little time taken, but I will tell you one very, even if from in 6 months this training, okay, data scientist training, there's no guarantee. I 99.99% there is no guarantee that you will be hired as a data scientist. Actually, no one will hire you as a data scientist. They will be hiring you for some training assistant, or they will be giving you again data analytics work. Because why? If you remember initially I told data science is a intersection of three different things: computer science, mathematics. Okay, you are very good in computer science, you are very good in mathematics, but third one thing is very important, that what domain related knowledge, business related knowledge. For example, the project is upon banking project, and the banking data is there. A banking person can understand the banking data, but as plain computer science can't understand it. With that, okay, he has to put some years, months, you can say, to understand their language, to understand their terminologies, and to get expert in it. So you will become that with that experience of proper data scientist. So that period you will be working as a data scientist. So it is again there is a gradual journey. Okay, please come out of it. A lot of institutes, they are just selling their products. I don't want to do that. I just want to put the reality in front of you, because you will be hoping one day, okay, I will be working hard and I will be becoming. No, you will be becoming. There is no one is going to stop you. But what this is the process actually. So data scientist is this. So right now, and yes, if we compare data science and data analytics or data engineer, very high demand. Okay, very in high demand, but less salaries. What salaries? Salaries will be 20 to 25,000. Who is going to take teaching? Okay, training from Amirpet. Okay, to be honest, 20 to 25,000. Okay, for data analytics. This is the truth. Data engineering. If you are a little experienced or you have a gap and you're going with some here and there things, okay, you will be expecting here. You will be expecting here. Okay, around you can say, oh, 60 to 80K. Okay, 80K per month. And if you are a data scientist, okay, if you are a data science with certain experience, okay, then what? With certain experience, again as a fresher, it will be going into the your salary will be again here as a fresher. I'm talking, okay, as a fresher. I will edit this also because that is not a for fresher. So here they don't take as a fresher. You just look, don't ask anyone, don't trust me, don't trust any institute or any trainer. Just go to the naukri.com, linkedin.com, whatever the platforms you know, and search what a fresher's requirement for a data scientist. How many jobs you will get? Not even one, I will take. Not even one. Yes, that is the truth. But if you are going to have 1-2 years of experience, then definitely there are there. So what, as a data engineer also same thing. At least you have to have 2 years of experience. What? 2 years of experience. For data analytics, no need of experience. You can go with the immediate fresher. Okay, immediate fresher you can go, and a lot of trainees are required, but the salary is less, guys. If you are very fortunate, okay, and I'm not saying 100% nullifying those things, okay, there are the opportunities not out there, yes, but very less. Okay, so for data scientists, like if you get as a data engineer selected as a fresher, then you must be expecting, okay, 40, okay, 40 to, okay, 50K. I'm giving this very high amount for fresher. Okay, so you guys shall not get. And here also, if you like get into the startups or big companies, again that same thing. Okay, 40 to 50K. What? 40 to 50K. This is the harsh reality, guys. Okay, of these things. Now it's up to you which one to choose, which one not to choose. Okay, yes, if you are going with this, there is a 100% surety within a month you will get a job. With this and with this data scientist, you just have to work. Okay, work and work. Okay, I will be whoever is in dilemma. I will be urging them to go with the data analysis. But no, I'm come from a very good background. Okay, I don't need a job for 1 year, 2 year. I want to invest my time into learning things and all. Okay, one day I don't care about it. Okay, I want to build on my that passion is there. Please go with this data science. Don't go with the data engineering also. But yes, sir, I want immediate job. Okay, 1 year, 1.5 year, it will pass like nothing now. Just get the data engineering little knowledge. These are same field. Okay, this is from so same domain, and you are going to land here at one point of time. But what, I'm giving you a proper roadmap here. Okay, this is the proper roadmap to become a proper data scientist. People may not like it. Okay, but this is the reality, guys. Okay, so this is what, okay, the salaries and all. And yes, talking about in coming days, the market is going to boom for this whole data scientist. Okay, domain I'm talking. As per the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, 37% hike in the jobs is going to be happening in the 2026. So that one thing you have to keep it in mind. I hope I have cleared your answers I have given. Okay, and this is what data science are. Okay, I didn't talk about much about syllabus because if you are like if you like the complete infrastructure like this frame, this whole structure of the becoming data scientist, you can what think about it and you can just give a call to our admin department. They will be sending a soft. Thank you so much guys for